Shrimad Bhagavatam means discussions about Lord Krishna, his name, fame, qualities, pastimes. There's so many people in this world are trying to do welfare work for the masses. But the greatest welfare work, Lok Kalyan, is to raise people's consciousness to God consciousness. And people's consciousness cannot be raised to God consciousness unless we talk about God. Shrimad Bhagavatam is a scripture which was compiled by Vyasadeva in the maturity of his spiritual realization. He had also written Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, Vedanta Sutra, Mahabharata, and really worked hard. But in those scriptures, he had given what people wanted to hear, how to keep enjoying in this world. He did not give what people needed to hear. So Shrimad Bhagavatam is one scripture which he compiled, which actually has that subject matter which we all need to hear. There are things in this world that we like to do, then there are things that we have to do, and then there are things which we need to do. Athato Brahma Jigyasa, Vedanta Sutra explains, why do we need to serve God? Why do we need to chant God's names? Why do we need to worship? Why do we need to attend a satsang? Because it is a duty of a human being. Suppose a thief is running away and a policeman is sitting close by. And if we request the policeman, go and catch him, he said, why should I do it? Because you are wearing the uniform of a policeman. It's your duty. Similarly, human body is like a uniform only. And the duties are also given. Athato Brahma Jigyasa. One must inquire about the absolute truth, about God. So it is the duty of anybody who is born as a human being to inquire about God, to re-establish that relationship, to re-establish the connection. And if after getting a human form of life, one does not serve Krishna, then dharme nahi naha pashubhi samana. Then a person is an animal. Because just by getting the body or wearing a uniform, a person does not become a doctor or a policeman or a lawyer. One has to qualify himself. Simply by getting a human body, one does not become a human being. One has to qualify himself.